Hi guys, so for today's video, it's all about the Union Bank credit card. So yun nga guys, it's all about the Union Bank credit card. So, nag-apply lang ako nito randomly sa isang ads ni Union Bank, which is yung ito. So ito is yung Union Bank U Visa. Pero ang re-review natin is yung Union Bank Rewards Card. So yung Union Bank U Visa Platinum is no annual fee for life. Pero ang suggestion ko sa inyo before kayo mag-apply dito, which is yun yung pagkakamali ko, is unahin nyo yung Union Bank Rewards. Kasi dito, sa Union Bank Rewards, hindi ka na maging eligible for NFFL or no annual fee for life kapag inuna mo yung U Visa Platinum. Kasi ang policy nila dito sa rewards is to avail the no annual fee for life is need mo munang new card holder ka or new credit card holder ka sa Union Bank. That's why yung mistake ko. Kasi nauna ko yung U Visa Platinum rather than the Union Bank Rewards Card. However, pwede pa rin natin siya ma-waive, pero ang need mong makuha is, need mo maka-accumulate ng 42,500 points, or if i-convert natin siya into cash, since dito sa Union Bank Rewards is 30 pesos spend is equivalent to 1 point. So kung i-convert mo siya to cash is parang 1.2 M something. So yun yung need mo ma-accumulate within a year. That's why medyo mahirap siyang i-reach. Pero yun nga, mas maganda if gagamitin mo siya occasionally para maging ma-waive yung fee mo. So yun na nga guys. So ang video natin is all about the process, kung gaano tinagal bago natin makuha tong card na to. So actually guys, recently ko lang to na-receive, which is nung Saturday lang, which is yesterday. And then, nag-apply ako dito is March 7 or March 6 ata. So Friday, March 6, 7. Basta nung Monday, last week ng Monday. So lalagay ko lang dito yung date. So, yun yung date na nag-apply ako kasi nagulat ako, bigla ako na-approve sa U Visa Platinum, which is yun nga yung una ko in-applyan. So, doon sa separate video na lang natin yung pag-uusapan. So, yun nga, doon ko siya, yun yung una ko in-applyan, and then nung na-approve yun, nag-apply na ako nito sa mismong Union Bank app. Since meron naman ako Union Bank Savings account, which is yun yung payroll ko kasi before. So, ayun, nag-apply ako nun parang last week ng Monday, which is lalagay ko dito yung date. Hindi ko sure yung date eh. Yun. And then, na-approve ako after 3 days. Then, so after 3 days ng Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, siguro mga Wednesday to Thursday na-approve ako. And then, nung na-approve ako, naghintay ako na siguro ng 1 day, bigyan text si Union Bank na ready na siya for delivery schedule itong card na ito. So, naghintay ako parang 2 days pa after, which is yung yesterday nga is Saturday. Tsaka ko to na-receive. Ang maganda dito guys, dapat, kasi ang dami ko nakikitang bad reviews with regards to the delivery schedule ng Union Bank credit card using the Go21 or any other courier. Yun yan, parang nagkakaroon ng issue na bigyan nilang i-file na delivery unsuccessful even though na hindi ka naman sila nag-reach out sa'yo. So ang suggestion ko guys, kahit mag-call ka sa hotline nila, which is tinry ko, naga-unreachable. So, ang gawin nyo na lang guys, kapag may nag-text sa inyo from them, yung mga delivery writers nila, is kayo na yung mag-initiate, kulitin nyo agad para makuha nyo sure ball. So, ginawa ko nun nag-text sila nung yesterday, at tinext ba ko agad na, yes po, ganyan-ganyan, na available po ako, and parang i-text nyo po ako or i-call nyo ako if nandito po, na po kayo sa location. Kasi nga, ang dami ko dito nakitang bad reviews with regards to their delivery ng courier nga nila is sobrang tagal. And also, yun yung nagde-delivery at successful siya. So, yun nga guys, ang kinagandahan din nito ni rewards. So, matalo na tayo. So, yun nga, mabilis na yung process niya. Parang 1 week lang makukuha mo na yung card mo and also ma-approve ka na dun sa span na yun, dun sa 1 week na yun. And then, after nun, yun nga, ang benefits naman nito ni rewards is yun nga, yung sinabi ko kanina, number 1, which is every 30 pesos spending is meron kang equivalent to 1 point. Or kapag naman, ginamit mo tong card na to for shopping, dining, dun sa mga accredited ni Union Bank is nagta-times 3 siya, which is yung 30 points mo, yung 30 spend mo is magiging equivalent to 3 points. So, yun, nagta-times 3 siya. So, may mga ganun siyang perks. And also, ang maganda dito is meron kang, mababayaran mo siya in after 2 months, I guess yun, after 2 months pa ng due date mo. So, for example, ang statement date mo is every 2nd of the month. So, kung ginamit mo yung card mo ng 3rd, so papasok pa yun after 2 months. So, pangalawa pang billing cycle kasi magre-reflect yung statement mo sa following month and then ang pinaka-due date pa nun is sa following month pa nun. So, yun ang kinagandaan ng credit card, guys. And also, itong rewards na to is marami ka kasing makukuhang rewards, which is ipa-flash ko mamaya sa screen sa bandang dulo para makita nyo. So, yun lang, guys. If you have questions with regards to the Union Bank Rewards Platinum, just don't hesitate to comment down below, like and subscribe the video, and yun lang. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.